I'm Donald Bell for Cool Tools, and in this video we're taking a look at an $8 sink strainer from OXO. Sink strainers are a kind of gross subject, so I'll do my best not to disgust you here. Here's the traditional strainer I've used for years. It's metal and it has this protruding part that fits into the drain so you can either plug it up or dial in exactly how much water you want to pass around it. I'm sure there are merits to this design, but my wife and I argue over this thing all the time. When it's in, it's barely effective, but half the time it's not even in the sink because it was being cleaned or was stopping up the drain. So this is better. For one, the large outer lip covers up the whole drain so nothing's slipping past it. Second, the silicone strainer can be pulled inside out, allowing you to easily dump this stuff into a compost bin or garbage can. Overall, it feels like a luxurious upgrade for a sink I use every day, and the ick factor for cleaning it out is now gone for me. You can find this on Amazon using the link in the description, and you can find thousands of reader recommended tools like this at cool-tools.org.